හෙලෝ අද මම මේ වීඩියෝ එක ගෙනාවේ බබාලට නෙවෙයි බබාලගේ අම්මලාට. හරියටම කිව්වොත් ඉන්ටර්නැෂනල් ස්කූල්ස් ග්‍රේඩ් 1 ඇඩ්මිට් කරපු බබාලගේ අම්මලාට තමයි මම මේ වීඩියෝ එක ගෙනාවේ. ඔයාලට හම්බෙලා තියෙනවද බලන්න මේ වගේ ප්‍රයිමරි සයන්ස් කියලා බුක් එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ ඉන්ටර්නැෂනල් ස්කූල් යන අම්මලාට. එතකොට අපි බලමු මෙන්න මේකේ තියෙනවා ලෙසන්ස් 6ක්. ඒ අතරින් ෆස්ට් ලෙසන් එක කාලට පේනවා ඇති types and parts of plants කියලා. මෙන්න මේ වගේ ඇක්ටිවිටි එකකට අපිට එළියට ගිහිලා මේ වැඩේ කරන්නත් පුළුවන් බබාලත් එක්ක. එතකොට එයාලත් ගොඩක් එන්ජොයි කරනවා සහ අලුතෙන් එළියට ගිහිල්ලා අපි කියලා දෙන අලුතෙන් දේවල් ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙන ප්‍රවණතාවය වැඩි. එන්න මාත් එක්ක යන්න. What are they doing from the roots පුතේ?
Growing.
Growing? No.
With water growing.
Ah, very good. They are absorbing water from the soil, no? Like you are drinking water when you feel thirsty. No, right. Very good. So they are absorbing all nutrients from the soil, no? With what? With what are they absorbing? With
water.
With roots. With roots. Understood, no? So again I am asking, are they living beings or non-living beings?
Living being.
Living beings. How do you say so? Why? Can they talk?
No.
Can they walk?
No.
Like this? No. Can they jump?
No.
What can they do?
Grow.
Growing. Very good. They grow fast. Very good. Like you both, ne? So here, like you are eating, when you feel hungry, you are eating food, no? Likewise, these plants are producing food by the help of the sun. With the help of the sun, they are producing food. We are calling it as photosynthesis. What is that?
Photosynthesis.
Right. So, what here? Can you see the roots here, Putte? Here.
Yeah.
Do you know there are twigs? Twigs.
Yeah.
See the twigs.
Yeah.
Yeah, like little branches we are calling atu.
Yeah.
Like those we are calling twigs. Lot of twigs are here, ne? This is like kind of like a bush, no?
Yeah.
Buds.
But birds are seeking nectar.
Birds, no. Bees. Bees. Yeah,
Bees are
sucking
seeking
nectar.
nectar.
Yeah, sucking nectar, but it's still here. It's a bud, no, Putte? Here. What is this?
Thorns.
This is thorns are there. See the thorns.
The thorns are there on the stick.
Yeah, there
When
are
it's
thorns.
there, it's
Hatu.
moving.
Can you see the buds here? Buds,
After touching
flowers. Like you see, little buds.
big birds also there.
Yeah. Then like you bought flowers. Then after that, then here you can see flowers. After buds, Putte, it's blooming, no?
Yeah.
Buds are blooming. Then what can you see? Putte, after blooming buds, what can you see there?
Flowers.
Flowers. Okay. So twigs are there. Can you see there are twigs here? Twigs. Now look at this. This is the bark of the tree.
You see that?
Okay. Look at this tree. Under the soil. Under the soil, what can you see? Eh? Say louder.
Roots.
Roots. Okay. What are they doing from the roots? Absorbing water, nutrients.
With the sun.
What kind of a plant is this? I said you know already. There are some plants are growing on other plants, like this orchid. Here, look at this orchid. Can you see? Is this a big plant or a little plant? Is it this one? Is this a big plant or little plant?
Big bird.
Big plant. Here, Dhoni. Can you see here? Look at this. There are thorns, no?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this? Is it what kind of is this? It's going on the wall. මේක නිකන් බිත්ති උඩට යන්නේ මේ.
Going to wall.
Yeah. What is this? What kind of is this?
It's a climb.
It's a climb.
Climb.
Climbing on the wall.
Climbing on the wall.
Hmm.
Come on.